In Kaohsiung, the wrath of Typhoon Meranti was especially felt yesterday with Class 13 gusts barreling across the port city. Storefronts and roll-up doors were destroyed in the downtown area, and at the port, empty cargo containers were knocked over like Lego blocks. Here's our comprehensive report.
On September 14th, strong winds started to ravage Kaohsiung afternoon. Department stores suffered damage such as broken metal door shutters and fallen ceilings, and many of them closed their businesses. Also in Kaohsiung's Xiaogang district, a motorcyclist was hit by a fallen sign. He was so startled that he abandoned his bike and ran away.
是在等公司的通知啊，但是应该是照这个情况来看的话，应该是可以下班。
In the downtown area, trees were uprooted and fallen signs were everywhere. A convenience store in Kaohsiung's Sanming district was severely damaged. Broken windows, fallen shelves, and signs were spread across the entire store. Also in Kaohsiung's Xiaogang district, cargo containers were seen toppling. An empty cargo container weighs at least 2.2 tons. At the Kaohsiung harbor, mighty winds broke the mooring ropes of a steamship. The ship was thus carried offshore. It is estimated that at least 16 ships suffered the same fate in Kaohsiung.
最大阵风呢是13级，以相同的级数来看的话，它如果超过9级啦，烟囱啊，就突出物都会被吹倒啊。所以，如果以阵风来看的话，破坏力是很大。
Although the maximum average wind gust measured in Kaohsiung was only force 7, the wind still caused great damage because the maximum gust reached force 13. To restore all damage, residents have to wait until the typhoon passes over.